Hello, my name is Hamza. I've been playing drums for about 6 years now, and I'll be playing Brianstorm by Arctic Monkeys. My preferred type of music is indie rock because the drum beats are very slow, the song is very slow, which makes room for more fill-ins and the drum beats to be more unique. Because I listen to a lot of music, so when I hear the for example drums, I want to play along with the song. My favorite artist is Baka. He's a singer and his voice is very African, so he's very slow and his music is also quite trap. So it's a lot of whistling and wind instruments in the song. It gives room for more fill-ins and more uniqueness in the song. My goals for an instrument is to be able to play a song the moment I hear it. Sometimes it's not just about playing a song with your physical hands. You need to also listen to the small details in the song. Sometimes I have trouble doing that. The lessons in Ritmo is very interactive, so after I play a song and if I have any queries about it, I can ask my teacher and she will clarify my mistakes and work on it to improve myself.